Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the pen tool in your video clips and film projects in Wondershare Filmora. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your film project and here on your timeline in the editor, position your playhead. So let us add or use the pen tool at the 0-second mark. Then click into the pen tool here to create paths and set your first or set a starting point of your path. So let me go, for example, here at the top of that book. Then set your second point and hold your left mouse and release your left mouse. And now let us draw a path like, I don't know, this one here. And then if you like to curve these paths, left click into the end point, but don't release your left mouse, hold your left mouse and adjust the curving. Set the next endpoint and conclude by clicking into the start point. And yeah, that's basically it. So that's an example path, right? And here guys, what you want to do is click into shape, and then you may, for example, I don't know, assign a fill color to basically convert the path into a shape. Assign a color here. And now it looks like a shape, right? So we can also switch back to the select tool here on the left hand side and then position it somewhere else, right? So that's how you use the pen tool to draw shapes manually if you don't like the shape tool here and want to apply a custom shape. That's how you do it, guys. So you can also rotate the shape here, right? So it works the same way as drawing shapes or moving them, changing the width, height, position, color, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.